Girl, nagawa niya ay and eto ang you got lots of pillows. Pinagtataguan niya ang daddy niya. Ando naman siya guys. Mag-lunch muna kasi baka umulan. Good morning guys and happy birthday.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Coffee.
Happy birthday.
Wash my face.
Okay, happy birthday,
My
Kuya.
cake.
Your cake? Surprise, Kuya. Hinanap niya yung cake.
Can't get it now, mate. You go to school, you'll wait for later.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
Where is it?
Alis din si Jan. Pupunta siya sa, where you going, honey?
For the cans.
Yeah. The money, hon. Okay.
What money?
For the cans, remember? I'm gonna count it for sabi ko sa December bibilangin ko pangatlong trip niya na yan na pupunta siya sa junk shop. Ayan, punong-puno na naman yung car niya. Ayan, lahat yan mga cans and karamihan dyan. See you, Zach. Love you. Listen and learn. Diba? Ang dami. Magkano kaya yan this time? Halos ano yan? Coffee. Tignan nyo. Oh. Tignan nyo. Coffee. Example. Oh, see ya. Oh, bastos. Bye! Nakita nyo yung mata ni Kuya? Parang may luha sa mga gilid. Kasi akala niya hindi ko siya ginawa ng cake. Hinahanap niya na yung cake. Sabi ko, hindi pa tapos. Tapos nakita niya parang wala. Sabi ko, hindi pa. Sabi ko, hintayin mo pag uwi mo. Sabi ko, ready na lahat. Kaya siya parang naluluha siya. So yeah, oras na 8:30 si Holly tulog po guys. Tingnan niyo, napagod siya. Nakabalik na si Jan. 11 o'clock na guys. 11:15 na. And mayroon siyang binili kay Kuya. Regalo niya rin kay Kuya. And ako, mag-decorate na ako ng cake. I-timelapse ko na lang kayo guys ha. Kasi kailangan ko magmadali. Kasi magluluto. Hi! Nasa labas sila ni Daddy. Magluluto ako ng spaghetti. Chicken. Ano pa ba? Nagawa ko na yung puto. And gumawa pa rin pala ako kagabi na isa pang sponge cake. Ayan. And eto yung isa. Ayan, yung ginawa namin. Eto. Nakita nyo na yung kagabi. So, yeah. Eto kasi request pala ni Kuya, sponge cake. Yung pala yung sinasabi ni Holly na sponge cake, sponge bob. So, gumawa ulit ako kagabi bago ako natulog. And, yeah, so gawin ko na yung pagde-decorate.
I don't wanna let you down. It's the only thing I think about every morning. You know my life ain't figured out, but I promise if you stick around it'll never get.
Itong ginagawa ko ay, ito yung pang frosting. And nandito na si Holly girl. Kanina tinutulungan niya ang daddy niya sa labas. Oh, baba.
Guys, I wish I can help.
You are helping, Mommy. Gusto niya kasi siya
No,
yung...
I want to mix and help.
Yeah, later, but we have to hurry up because Kuya will be here. Oh. Baba, look.
Oh.
Kasi anong oras na?
Oh, that's little.
Yeah, okay. Just hold, please.
So I can do it.
Okay, do it. Oh, see?
Just hold it.
No, you do it because I have to scrape this one.
Okay.
You do it. Here. See, now you're helping.
Yeah.
Go around and level.
In the bowl. There's a lot of it. Mommy, when I pull the bowl, can I lick the spoon?
Pardon?
Lick the spoon.
Yeah.
Thanks. And while I'm doing this, guys, I can lick the spoon
After.
after. And put them in there.
Tell them what Daddy's doing.
Daddy's cleaning up the donut. And I don't know what's that noise.
Lower.
It's a blower. A blower.
Lower.
A blower. Okay, Mom, it's all in the bowl.
Yes, there's more there.
Go around and level, get boring. We'll spend night.
Yung family ni Jan, pupunta dito mga 5. Pero yung mga kaibigan ni TJ, 3:20. After school.
Mama, there, Mom.
Go around and level, get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine. Look at flats, even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay, even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can love.
So, eto na yung chocolate frosting. Ang gagawin ko naman ay white chocolate frosting. And si Holly, what are you doing, Baba?
Licking.
Yeah. Okay.
Mom, look at my face.
I know, you're messy.
Mommy, I need tissue.
Later na, after you finish that one. Okay? Time-lapse ko ulit kayo. Guys, malulubat na. And dito si Jan sa labas, siya naglilinis sa labas. Hindi siya pumasok ulit today kasi nga, ang pangit ng weather. And, ayan, abala siya sa paglinis ng ating pagola. Habang kami ni Holly doon. It's alright. Ayun. Nagagawa ng cake ni Kuya. Ayan, malinis na siya. Malapit lang malinis. Good job, Daddy. And you?
Licking.
So, yung white chocolate naman. Nasaan yung white chocolate ko? Ah, eto. Ito naman yung aking gagawin na frosting. Tapos na tayo sa chocolate.
Go around and level, get boring. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine. Look at flats, even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lose you now. Will you stay, even when you wanna walk away? When times get bad, we can learn to love what we have. I don't wanna let you down.
Ayan po ang kanyang trabaho. Is it yummy, Baba? Yeah. So, kanina pa siya ganyan. And, tapos na ako magawa ng chocolate cream. And, eto na yung ating sponge cake. And, nag-slice din ako ng strawberries. Try kong lagyan siya ng strawberries sa gitna. We'll see. So, kunin ko lang yung aking chocolate frosting sa fridge. And, mag-decorate na tayo. And, magkakat pa pala ako ng cone. Wait lang, ha?
Without you would be boring and we'll spend nights cheap red wine.
So, hindi pa ito tapos, guys. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo. Yung first layer, ang linagay ko ay chocolate frosting. And then, yung second layer, chocolate frosting with strawberries. Ayan. And, ito yung pantakip. So, kinat ko siya sa 3. So, yan guys, sana maging successful to. And, ito, nag-cut ako ng mga cones. Ayan. So, sige na, malapit na sila. Anong oras na? 1:30 na guys. Kailangan matapos ko na to bago mag 2:30.
Red wine, look it flats even though we can't afford 'em. I don't wanna let you down. Red wine, look it flats even though we can't afford 'em. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lose you now. I don't wanna let you down.
Guys, eto na yung aking cake. Kaso, nag-melt yung aking cream dahil sa heater namin. So, pinatay na ni dyan yung heater. Ayan. Dapat maglalagay pa ako nito. Tapos, chocolate drip na konti dyan pa talagang ice cream siya. Pero, ayan. Siguro mamaya ayusin ko. Lagay ko muna to sa ref. Ayun si Jan, nagbabaking siya doon. Guys, yung cake, linagay ko muna sa ref kasi nalulusaw yung frosting niya kasi sobrang mainit dito sa loob ng bahay. And dito ulit tayo sa kwarto ni Holly. Ayan, recycle ko yung balloons kasi blue naman. And sabi ni Kuya, okay lang din daw. And ang handa ni Kuya ay napaka-simple. I-request niya to and suggest din to ni Jan kasi ganito raw ang birthday dito sa Australia ng mga bata. So, and si Kuya nag-agree and eto yung kanyang mga request. Fruits. And gumawa ako ng puto, di ba, kagabi. And gumawa ako ng chocolate dip para sa strawberries nila.
What is this?
And ayan siya. Hoy, magbihis ka na. Ang dungis-dungis.
What is this?
Blueberries, you know what is that? And mga lollies. Tapos may lemonade tayo na blue.
What is these kind of lollies?
And meron sila,
What is these kind of lollies?
I don't know, Baba. Si Daddy
These
ang...
guppies.
Nga?
Guppa.
Ano? Ewan ko sa'yo. And mamaya lulutuin ko. Sabi ni Jawan ko muna lutuin yung kanilang nuggets at saka sausage roll. So, yun ang handa ni Kuya. Tapos cake. And maglalaro silang footy sa labas or PS4. Hindi ko alam kung anong plano ni Kuya. Pero ayan na yung setup natin dito sa kanyang pa-9th birthday. So, yan lang guys. Napaka-simple. Diba, Holly? Don't! And magluluto ng spaghetti, Filipino spaghetti kasi request yun ng family ni Jan, tsaka fried chicken kasi na-miss na raw nila yun. So, yun ang pa-dinner ko sa kanila. So, yun ang ating handa today, guys. So, linisin ko lang muna tong aking kalat dyan and magluluto na ako. And yung ice cream, yung ating cake, andito guys, tinanggal ko muna yung nakalagay na cream sa cones. Ayan siya, oh. Ayan, 'di ba? Parang totoo lang ice cream na natutunaw na siya and may happy birthday diyan. Tapos may siyam na candles. So mamaya lalagyan ko na lang ulit siya tapos we'll see kung anong mangyayari sa kanya. Pero yan yung cake ni Kuya. Check daw ni Jan kung okay na yung setup dito. Is that alright? Is that alright? Is that Australian birthday party?
Yeah, we put the food in.
No, you said don't.
Yeah, now we can do it.
Okay, alright then.
Yeah, we can do it now. So
Okay.
I'll be ready for AD, so.
Okay. So, lagay natin to dito para magtusok-tusok sila and idip nila dyan sa chocolate. Andito na si Saksi Kuya, naglalakad pa raw eh. Ha? Parang siya yung my birthday, siyang excited. Dito na sila. Happy birthday, Kuya! Ayan yung come on, come on! Your boys, you can put your bag here. Daw sila. Thank you daw, Holly. Kiss, Kuya. Okay, are you hungry? You can borrow t-shirt if you want.
He's got spare clothes, he doesn't.
Ito, luto na yung nuggets. Yung ano na lang, sausage roll. Okay, saan natin ito ilalagay? Dito na lang. Do you like my setup here?
Yeah.
Did you wash your hands?
Yeah, I'm gonna get
Okay, hindi alam ni Sakto. Ayaw pa nilang kumain. Naglalaro muna sila ng AFL na PS4. Ayan. Inayaan muna ni Kuya yung kanyang mga kaibigan.
Wait, Kate's rich.
Si Sako. Wala siyang hawak na remote. Han, no remote today. They don't want to eat yet, Baba. You have to wait. Kaya, wait for Kuya. It's Kuya's birthday.
Mommy.
Yeah, you can eat. Come on, I'm just gonna take photo. Okay? 1, smile. Okay.
Wait, is that
Just be careful with the chocolate, okay? I have that toothpick there if you want.
room's this?
Holly, it's like a playroom. There's a lemonade juice here.
Yeah.
I mean orange.
Lemonade with orange, yeah.
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? 'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. 'Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you.
Oh, hang on, I'll cross. It's Volkswagen.
Yes. Yes.
Wait, which one?
First one.
No, this is GT League.
Oh.
It must be. Oh, wait, you want to win into GT?
Yeah, I
League.
went GT.
Is this
League.
one?
Yes.
This is gonna be funny. Okay.
That's
Zach
what I
just went.
No, what? I was turning, someone crashed me, I was like that, then went back.
Oh yeah. You should have done. Wait, wasn't that? That was like. Yes.
Ninja has a spider cage. And a
My Zach's got a spring scooter.
Oh, that's creepy like that.
That's me.
creepy.
Oh, here we go.
Here, that's me.
Oh, this is me.
No, this
Oh, this is Zach. This is Zach. On this
thing
thing.
is terrible, change it.
No. That car is back in the olden days, and you just can just
1966.
yeah, you can just drift. See, look at that. Yeah, it doesn't go that fast, but at the end, Zach's just like some car hit him. He nearly went off, but Zach just.
Wait, are
drifted.
you playing?
No, this is another repo that Zach did. Like, he just crashes into people.
Wait, so how do you play it?
It's a normal, another racing game, like a normal racing game.
Wait,
Brake, acceleration,
Watch it.
turn.
Finish the footing.
No, I just paused it.
That was
This-
this.
that-
That was this.
That's-
What's this?
Just these olden day cars, 1966.
Who's in the V8?
Huh?
Who's in the
I
V8?
came first.
Zach. Zach just...
Who's playing now?
No, we're watching a
Oh.
replay.
Push
That was
this
Zach.
back.
Okay with me. Okay, 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 and that's okay with me.
No, they're giving me a present.
What? Oh, I get a present.
No, actually no card. I don't know who came.
You didn't have to get a present.
You don't have
guys.
to give the present.
I didn't.
Ano sa iyo?
Thanks.
Holly, excuse me, Baba. Sit down. Wala pa nga kainan. Nagbigay na sila ng regalo.
Hang on. I want to see what he's writing. Dear teacher, hope you have a great day. Okay. There's something you love.
It's something you love. Thank you.
What did you tell us?
I'll get some chocolate.
Chocolate and money.
Wow, what do you say, mate?
Sorry, TJ, but I only had time to make a car.
Aww.
Oh, you really think that would be true?
Oh, cute. I think the sausage roll is...
You seriously do not know me well enough, TJ.
And Mommy, look at
My 40 bucks. It
Mommy,
says,
Mommy.
Dear TJ, happy birthday. I hope you have a good day. You are such a good mate. Enjoy your presents. Fancy your sister's birthday so close to yours. Thank you for being my best friend and being there for Kate and I. Happy birthday.
Aww, well done.
Also,
I've only got 240
and I
now.
have no money.
Happy
Aww.
birthday,
I
mate.
got him nothing. Thank you. Yeah. Oh yeah, Joe Selwood. Oh, one of them. Yeah. Wait. Oh, I love these footies. Yeah. That's what Riley
Okay,
has. Like some chocolate now. Not for one out. No, no. This for me.
Here's Aggie.
I'm taking a present.
What?
TJ. This is mine now. Oh, look at that. Look at that. From Holly. Look what Holly gave me.
Oh,
This is Holly's own
Look,
money.
Holly just gave him $5.
Oh!
Holly's own
Good
money.
job! Ako hindi ako kabili ng
Oh, no,
corn.
you don't pump it up.
Huh?
Kuya!
Yeah, I'm up.
No, you
Yeah.
don't have to
Oh, you
pump.
can there.
Kuya! Happy birthday.
What's that? Give me game.
Kai, who's Kai?
Who cares?
Kuya!
Okay, I got must be my problem. What is
What do you
that?
put on your chest?
Yeah, on it.
Wait, you put it right.
around.
Oh, here.
Yeah, and then hey Kato, look. This is in Australia. Australia!
That's
Australia!
They didn't have, that's the only one they had. One left.
This is actually lucky boy.
Yeah, it's a bit bigger one, that one.
Is it
I had
fun?
a big, there was a bigger one of this, but I thought this one would be better, just a little bit littler for you. The chick and grab and,
You
they're a
put it
bit
on
bigger.
right.
Before you
Wait,
bought
is
them.
this a size 5?
Yeah.
What does he get so for? Okay, Kato, you want to see me skills?
Size,
Skills? Hang on, TJ, can I go out and kick it?
size.
Okay.
Where's the size on it?
There's no size.
I think it's a bigger one though.
I think it's a size. My dad's got a size 5. My dad's got I've got a size 5
Money.
Put yours back in the wallet, Bubby.
My dad's got to pump it up first.
What's that?
You have to?
Nah.
Yes.
Good lord. Hang on to her. No.
Just got
Yeah. Yeah.
And luto na rin yung sausage rolls. And tingnan nyo, pabalik-balik sila dito pero parang hindi nababawasan yung pagkain dito. Excited sila maglaro ng PS4 and then mamaya, ayan, si Sak nakakuha rin siya ng gift. It's your birthday, Sak? It's your birthday?
Needed one because I didn't have football.
Oh. And yung regalo ni Jan. Hoy, Sak, careful with that light. Regalo ni Jan. Ayan, oh.
Right, key there. She won't come off. I don't know.
Oh!
Kick quick.
I know, because
Quick.
Riley
Oh my God, that's dangerous, honey.
I got hit in the face. That's not
Okay, magluto na muna ako para sa family din. Oh!
What's that, mate?
Oh my God, that's dangerous, hon. Doon na sila sa labas. Maglalaro na sila ng footy.
What's the footy like, Zach?
Ayan, ang linis na dito. Oh, di ba? Lininis ni Jan. Ay, careful.
This way, KJ.
Hang on.
Baba! Oh. Malamig. Sa loob naman ng bahay, mainit. Yung si Holly, oh. Baba! Come here, Baba! It's cold, Baba. Get your jacket. Baba, alis dyan because they're playing footy, Baba.
I'm playing scooters.
Alright. Okay, balik na ako sa loob. Dito muna sila. Hindi pa sila kumakain ng sausage rolls at saka kumain sila nuggets. Ayan, nagluto na ako ng spaghetti, guys. And inuuna ko yung kay ma'am kasi si ma'am hindi siya kumakain ng beef. So, meron ako ditong pork. So, gawan ko muna si ma'am ng spaghetti sauce na pork yung meat. Kasi pag beef, hindi yung kakain si ma'am. And, yeah. Nakapagbugas na ako, pero may kalat ulit dahil sa pagigisa ng ating bawang sibuyas. And yung mga boys, yung mga bata doon naglalaro sila. Pumasok na sila kasi umulan kanina. So, nandun naman sila sa PS4. Yun lang, in-update lang kayo guys. And yung cake natin, maya-maya, i-blow na nila to pero lalagyan ko ulit lalagyan ko ulit ng cream. Ayan, oh. Diba, naging dugyot yung aking cake. Ayan, mag-blow na si Kuya ng candles.
Okay.
Nilalagyan ni Jan ng cream. Oops.
Okay, me.
So, yan na yung itsura ng ating cake, guys. Na-survive naman siya. Okay?
Zach!
You're gonna sing happy birthday, Zach?
And then I want to blow it up.
Okay, can you go get Zach?
Where's my phone, Zach?
Right, no. Oh.
Naubusan ng gas yung kanyang... Ayan ba?
Oh, my hand's getting...
Hala, nagme-melt na naman yung yung cream. Okay, sing!
Right, sing.
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kuya. Happy birthday to you.
Hep, hep, hooray! Hooray! Okay, go! Wish.
Don't spit, just blow.
I'll spit.
Just
What's your wish, Kuya? Oh!
Make a wish.
I did.
You already did. Good job.
What his wish was? To make a girlfriend one day.
Ah! Ayan na. Okay.
Holly,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
One for luck and one for marriage. Couple for marriage. And one for marriage.
Thank you. Okay, we gotta cut the cake. Kumuha lang ako ng pang-slice. Ayan na yung naging itsura ng ating cake, guys. Okay, cut na natin. Kuya, you have to cut this, Kuya. Come here. Hurry up. You're just gonna cut your cake. Come on.
Okay.
Come on.
No, I don't. Come on, TJ.
On the
Hit the
other
bottom.
side.
Come on,
Okay.
TJ. I'll do it.
Okay.
Hit the bottom.
Oh my gosh, I'm spilling.
Okay. Okay.
Taylor, you having some? Yeah.
Okay.
Strawberry slide
That raspberry, yeah.
it. Does it? Okay, I'm gonna pour strawberries out.
Okay.
In here.
Where's the... Can you get a plate, please, Kuya? Here, but Kuya, here. It's in here.
They're all used. Okay.
No, that one.
Oh, is this for me? Oh, this for me.
This is for TJ. Okay.
She got first one on her birthday.
Okay, Kuya. Oh.
Thank
ayan.
you.
Okay.
No, that's fine.
Okay, Ollie.
Oh,
Kailangan natin itong ibalik sa ref. Baby, excuse me.
you saw my controller. That.
Okay.
Wait, where's some more lights?
Oh, wait. I'll get you one.
Thank you.
Here, Baba. Eto, luto na yung spaghetti sauce ni Mom. Yung beef naman yung aking niluluto. And
This is that.
for Nana, because Nana don't eat beef. So, I made pork sauce for Nana. And etong cake, isi-save ko na lang to for Friday. Ayan, binalot ko siya ng glad wrap. Ayan. Takpan mo yan ba? Pinick up na guys yung isang bata ng mami niya. And ako, ayan na yung beef na spaghetti sauce. And ayan na yung fried chicken. So, after nito, tapos na ako. And maglilinis ulit ako dito. Lininis ko na. Ayan, makalat na naman. Oh. Luto na yung ating fried chicken. And nagluluto ako ng meatballs. And nandito na si Auntie Mel. Kaya ang ingay na ni Holly. Happy birthday. Oh, frozen. Oh my God.
This one, Jules.
What you gonna say to Auntie Mel? Cuddle Auntie Mel.
Wow.
Wow, you're going to school now, Baba. You say thank you? Where's the Auntie Mercado? Oh my God. Go cuddle Auntie Mel. Oh my God, is that what you're gonna wear next year? Oh.
Sorry, Baba.
Look, I just dropped.
Yeah.
Hi, Jace. Good. How are you? Good to see you. Yeah, I know you've been busy.
Yeah, we have.
Wow. Ayan na yung handa ni Kuya. Hinintay na lang namin si Ma'am. Si Dad nandito na kanina. Kaso si Ma'am nag-work, so pinick up niya lang si Ma'am. So, yan na yung ating food, guys. And yung tira doon sa kwarto ni Holly, hindi naman kinain ng mga bata. Kumain kunti lang. Ang ingay, di ba? Ang ingay namin. Hoy, that's Nana. Nana, sit there. Nana, sit there, Baba. Yeah, kain muna kami, guys.
Don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down. We'll spend nights, cheap red wine, look at flights even though we can't afford them. I don't wanna let you down. Will you stay even when you wanna walk away?
Guys, tapos na yung dinner namin. And nagsiuwi na yung mga bisita. Kaalis lang nila. And ayan na lang yung natira sa cake. Ayan, nag-take away si Dad. Ayan, yan na lang yung natira, guys.
This is Santa. Stop here. Santa, can you please stop here? We've been really, really good all year. We've got milk and cookies, your favorite treat. They're sitting ready for you to eat. Guys, did you like the story? Did you, Holly?
Yeah!
Did you do that? Yeah?